Hi everyone, this is the unboxing of Xiaomi LOOCK CatY smart video doorbell with face recognition and human sensing alert. This is actually to be installed on your door instead of a classical peephole. So this is a pretty recent or new item, and it took like a couple of weeks to arrive. It was bought on Geek Buying and it costs $214. So let's hope it arrived in one piece and let's see. Today we will be doing only unboxing because installation is not something that's as easy as installing other stuff. So pretty neat box, and let's open it and see what's inside. We need to find a place where to cut. Okay, probably like this. So it should be able to record for 180 days. It has 720p resolution. And it probably speaks only Chinese. But let's hope the software is customized, or better yet, translated to English as well. Okay, so the first part is the display itself. The display is mounted onto the door from the inside. And there's a charging port. It should have built-in battery, probably on-off switch. I can't tell because it's in Chinese, and a reset button. This here is a connector which connects to the camera, which goes outside. Okay, so let's see what else is there. This is probably the hanging part, which goes onto the door. Yep. So this should be probably screwed onto the inner side of the door, and this is the connector. So this thing hangs like this, and there is a magnetic thing which keeps it in place. There is a small instruction manual on how it's installed. This is how it goes through the door, and you can also glue it onto a door with this and this probably. I'll have to have a look later when I'm doing installation. Works with Me Home. Okay, so what else is there? There are some screws, and this thing is empty. And there's a camera. So here it is. As you can see, it's got 3M double-sided self-adhesive tape, and this thing should go through your door and connect to the inner part. So let's just take this off. As you can see, there is a button here. It should probably go like this. And there's a speaker and a microphone, an infrared sensor, so you can watch when there is no light. Okay, let's peel this thing off. Look, here. And here it is. It looks like a slightly fatter tablet. So this thing goes somehow here on the outside of your door. So that's about it for unboxing, and next step will be pairing it with Mi Home app. Thanks for watching.